Hi, welcome to another EPC Teardown Guide. Today I got a Lenovo Ideapad 3. It's a mid-range consumer-grade laptop, and it's fairly easy to tear down. And I'm going to show you how. Now let's get into it. Let's get started. So to open up the back cover, there's 10 screws around the case, one being captured. With all the screws taken off and the captured one unscrewed, you're now ready to pry it open. So it's giving me a little trouble. Make sure you got all screws unscrewed before prying it open. And then voila. Next off, we're going to take off the battery. For the battery, there's just 3 kind of little screws, non-captured. After unscrewing the screws, you just need to pull the battery out of its socket. After that, we're going to take out the hard drive. Before unscrewing the screws, you're going to pull that ribbon cable out from the motherboard. A little adhesive is making the cable stick to the case itself. Just slowly peel it off, and it should be fine. Now we're going to unscrew these 2 screws, non-captured. After that, you can just lift it up and pull out of place. Next, we're just going to detach the keyboard and the mouse pad. For that, there's these 2 ribbon cables right here. Just want to pry open those tabs and slide them out. This one you might want to grab some tweezers and then pull it up like that. Next, we're going to take out the Wi-Fi card. Before doing that, you want to take off these 2 cables connected to the display. You want to feed the wires out of the fan. Next, to take it out, there's just 1 screw, non-captured. So let's get that out there. Now after that, the Wi-Fi card should be let loose. Just pull it out and put it off to the side. And next we're going to disconnect the display. So over on the right, there's these 2 connectors. You're going to need to disconnect those. Those are the display connections. And for the display, there's 2 screws on each hinge, non-captured. After those screws have been unscrewed, you're going to want to lift open the case. and slowly slide it out. Put the monitor off to the side. Alright, so next up is the daughter board. There's one screw at the top, these two cables right here. First, you just want to unscrew the screw. And take care of these cables. This one's for the speaker. And this one's connecting to the main motherboard. After that, just comes right off. Set that to the side. Next, we're just going to take out the RAM. RAM's located in the middle of the board. Just pull these two tabs, and it'll lift up easily. Alright, so after that, we're going to take off the heatsink. Heatsink's pretty easy. You just got these 4 screws. These are captured. These are not. Before unscrewing this side, you're just going to unplug the fan cable. That. Now I continue to the rest of the screws. All right, after that, take the fan, slowly lift up the heatsink, set that off to the side. All right, next is just taking off the CMOS battery. Pretty simple. Just take out this, pull it from the adhesive. Pull it out from the port. Set that to the side as well. All right, now for the motherboard. Got 5 screws over here. This one's kind of hidden between a sticker. Just a heads up, if you do decide to break the sticker on the screw, it will likely void your warranty with Lenovo. However, EPC provides a 90-day warranty on most used devices we sell on epcglobal.shop. So with that being said, let's take out this motherboard. So I'm going to start off with taking out these screws. With all that taken off, now it's time to lift up the motherboard. Then you have finished. And that's how you tear down a Lenovo Ideapad 3.
Don't feel like doing a teardown yourself? Have not just one, but hundreds of devices taking up space? EPC is a global leader in the ITAD field, and it's our goal to reduce e-waste and give devices a second chance. Reach out to us today to learn more.